Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato and Lauki soup using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 4 medium-sized, ripe tomatoes and 1 small Lauki, also known as bottle gourd. We'll also use 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a pinch of turmeric, and a few other common spices to create a warm, comforting flavor. This simple approach ensures a delicious and nutritious meal. Now, let's move on to the preparation. Begin by thoroughly washing and chopping your tomatoes and Lauki into small, manageable pieces. Place these vegetables into a pressure cooker with about 1/2 cup of water. Cook them for 3 whistles, then let the pressure release naturally. This method ensures the vegetables become perfectly tender, ready for the next step in our easy soup recipe. Once the vegetables are cooked and cooled slightly, blend them into a smooth puree. For a silky texture, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve, discarding any remaining seeds or fibrous bits. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida, letting them splutter for a few seconds to release their aroma. This tempering adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Pour the strained soup into the pan with the tempered spices. Bring it to a gentle simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Season the soup with salt to taste, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve this warm, nutritious, and easy-to-make tomato and Lauki soup immediately for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.